Well, I've read a couple of books recently that were adapted to films. It would be, something like a Twilight or a Gone Girl or Hunger Games, but nothing really. When you read a book, it's about you kind of imagine the space, and a lot of stuff gets edited down when it eventually goes up there on screen, and you need a sensible director who does that. Some of the films, miserably fail in that department because nothing really. Um, Goes ahead and kind of supersedes the book. Generally, it's the book that is actually the star, and then you have to have a crew that kind of gives it its due. And sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. Like Gone Girl was a great example of something good that was done with the material. But still, I prefer the book. I liked the book a lot, yes. But still, a wonderful film based on that. So even on something like this, you'll need a team that is extremely sensitive to the material, that understands the space. It's a book that thrills you. It keeps you at the edge of the seat, and you need a director that understands that. You need actors that understand that and can give you that intensity on screen. No, unfortunately, I've not seen that. No. जब लोग जब ट्वीट करके उसका प्रेस करते हैं तो प्रेशर नहीं होता है जनरली जब ट्वीट नहीं करते तो प्रेशर होता है but like I said, let's just keep this at the book today. And just enjoy the trailer. It's come out today on YouTube. So we'll have more press conferences for that film very soon, shortly in a week, so we can discuss the film then. Sorry? I mean, everyone launches films on YouTube these days, so and also on television. So you'll have the film on television.
Yes. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, some extent, yeah. Do you think so? वो पूरी कर देंगे ना.
पे आ रहा है तो अधूरी पे आ रहा है बार्ड ऑफ ब्लड अधूरी के बारे में एक हफ्ते के बाद बात करेंगे
नहीं पिक्चर होगी तो पूरी भी हो जाएगी ना कहानी. Yes, 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 ma'am. Exactly. So that's the okay. So he is a professor of Shakespeare who has been wronged in the past. He likes the bard's work, and at some point down in the mission, he's been given the sobriquet or the nickname of the bard. Hence, the Bard of Blood. Yes, 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 yes. One. 20. Huh. Huh. मैं हाँ हाँ बन जाऊंगा यार. पिक्चर बना लो आप, मैं एक्टिंग कर लूंगा. नो.
Fourth final question. I just want to know how and when the character of Kabir popped into your head.
Yeah.
Or came about.
So Kabir is actually I'm going to take time to answer this because see, the thing is, when you're reading fiction, foreign fiction, in terms of a Lee Child or a Daniel Silva, they have such strong characters which I don't think in India. While reading them, I just noticed that as a reader, I haven't thought that I'll write and fill that void or anything at that point of time. But I thought that, yeah, India deserves a character that could possibly have the same, strength to carry on certain adventures. And it's very, as I said earlier, it's very easy to fall into that trap of being a wannabe Bond or a wannabe Jason Bourne, which is not what I wanted. So Kabir was, in my head, I wanted someone very simple, very understated, but at the same time he can be lethal when it comes to it. So that was the basic first germ of the idea that I had in my head, and then it kind of just took off from there.
I can't really think of any right now. I think this definitely would be one which you can make into a fantastic feature film. It's got lots of twists and turns. It's got all the emotions, and that's what you need in a film these days. You need something that is not just about the craft. You need to feel different emotions. It has to shock you. It has to take you to a point where you don't know which way it's headed. And books rarely give you that. There are very few books that give you that unpredictability. I think this is one book that gives you that. So I think this would be that
Thank
book.
you. Bas.
The mic again to say thank you very much for coming, and thank you to Penguin Random House. And somebody asked if he's going to be an actor. The little bird told me that the script this book being taken over for a script. That's all I hear. And he's going to be the lead actor in it. So he wrote Kabir from his heart, So thank you for coming. And nobody looks like they want to go. The bookshop wants everybody to leave now. Bye.
इमरान सर यहाँ पे सामने एकदम सामने